Welcome back. So we are on module number 4, part 3. And in this part, you actually get to start the practice of letting go. So I firmly believe that letting go is a spiritual practice and ritual. And that's why I'd like to share with you one of my most favorite practices, which includes nature. I believe that nature really does show us the way. I mean, we've been connected to nature as human beings ever since we've walked this planet. It's a source of our survival, our natural resources, and I think, in my point of view anyway, that it helps us to heal. So if you look below this video, there's an image of the 4 elements. And attached to those 4 elements are the signs. So why I love this is because I also believe that we were born into this world on a certain day in a certain month for a reason. And I like to combine the signs and the elements for this first ritual of letting go. So find your sign and the element that corresponds with it. So I'm wearing red today, so I can, you could probably guess what sign I am. Yes, I am Aries, which is linked to fire. And what's interesting was that even before I knew what my element was, I've always been connected to fire very, very strongly. I love a great campfire, I love a fireplace, and the ritual that I've chosen to let go with most often includes fire. So surprise, surprise. So I'm hoping as you look at your own element that you're starting to see some coincidences within that. But this is really beautiful. And when we look at letting go as something that is beautiful and something that we can really do to help fill our cup, it's something that we will actually invest in. All right, so this is going to be a really quick video. And all I want you to start thinking about is how can you use your element in letting go. So I'm going to offer you some examples of what you can do within each element. And then the process is really simple. Get you to start off small and pick one thing that you'd like to let go of. And practice letting go using the element. So I'll give you a fire example. So I love a lovely, beautiful campfire or fireplace. So one of my go-to letting go rituals is I write on a piece of paper what I want to let go of, and then I burn it. So please, if you are the fire element, be safe with this. And if you can't have access to a fire because of weather or because of where you are, another way that I use fire is lighting a candle and doing the same thing. Think about what I want to let go of and then blow out the candle. So it's sort of like the smoke and the air and the fire kind of combining together, but that's okay. It's really just what your intention is. And then after you've picked that one thing, I'd like you to think about what you want to replace it with, because remember, we're working on those neural pathways in your brain. So for example, if I want to let go an experience that I've had, or my feelings about an experience that I've had in the past, and replace it with what I learned from that experience. So replace, say, anger or hurt with the teaching of what I learned from that experience and how I've grown. So it's really important to not only think about what you want to let go of, but also what you want to replace it with. So again, check out the images below. I'm going to do some examples for you. And then my challenge for you is to let go of one thing every day for 7 days using one practice, which incorporates your element. It's going to be exciting. And then in the next part, I'm going to build on this and give you some other letting go practices and rituals. All right, have some fun with it, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.